Are you wondering how to use AI in real estate? Here are 5 ways how AI is transforming the industry. 1. Predictive Analytics. AI algorithms predict property values and market trends, aiding informed decision-making for buyers, sellers, and investors. Setting fair prices based on historical data and market conditions is crucial. 2. Streamlining Operations. AI automates tasks like scheduling and paperwork, freeing up time for real estate professionals to focus on high-value activities. Efficiency is key in today's competitive market. 3. Enhancing customer service. AI-driven chatbots provide 24/7 support, improving tenant satisfaction and response times. Seamless communication enhances the overall customer experience. 4. Virtual tours. AI-powered 3D modeling and virtual tours offer immersive property experiences for potential buyers. Exploring homes remotely facilitates informed decision-making. 5. Targeted marketing campaigns. AI analyzes user behavior to create targeted marketing campaigns and personalized property recommendations. Tailored content maximizes engagement and conversion rates. AI is revolutionizing every aspect of the real estate industry, from predictive analytics to enhanced customer service. Are you ready to revolutionize your real estate journey? Read the full blog now for more insights on leveraging AI in real estate.